welcome means Akwaba. I know you love Ghana. And I'm sure by the time you finish here, you'll be sure that we have the best jollof. I'm happy to have been called to give a keynote address and also welcome you.
From discussions of 500 people have been trained, 3 trainings have been done, we now want to move and say, is this program having the impact that it was intended for? We need to start thinking of a process of evaluating the impact of this training program. And now it is time for us to start thinking about, are we actually making the impact that is needed? So when that process starts of the evaluation, you as subject matter expert are going to be key components in that evaluation process.
I congratulate Africa CDC for this very bold step and can only encourage you to do better and better.